guys, you know my passion for crab and breakfast? This week, I will combine both together. It's gonna be so good. So enough talking and let's do some crab benedictine!
First, we will make a crab butter. In a saucepan, put half a cup of unsalted butter. And remember, we saved some crab shell from last week. Put it with the butter. Put a lid on and let this on medium-low heat for at least 30 minutes so the flavor can develop. When it's ready, remove the shell by passing the butter in a strainer and keep it for later. For the Hollandaise, we need 4 egg yolks. Save the egg white for a healthy omelette tomorrow because today is cheat day. In a heat-proof large bowl, whisk your 4 egg yolks, then put it over a saucepan with boiling water, or like the French call it, a bain-marie. Make sure the water don't touch the bowl. Never stop whisking and add the melted crab butter gradually while whisking. If you add it too fast, the sauce will break and Gordon Ramsay will come to your house and yell at you in front of your family. Did I say never stop whisking? But my arm is getting sore, you might say. Well, with great sacrifice come great rewards. Add the juice of half a lemon and season with salt and pepper. And taste to see if you did a good job. Use a warm thermos container. I previously fill it with hot water, then discard the water. Put your Hollandaise in and it will stay nice and warm until serving. Note, it might thicken a bit if you leave it there for too long. For crab benedict, we need crab, duh. This crab is already cooked. In most stores, they will sell you cooked crab instead of living one. It's easier for transportation and logistic. Make sure you get every ounce of this delicious meat using scissors and a fondue fork. Double check in the meat for piece of cartilage. You don't want to chew on that. Toast your English muffin until it's nice and golden. But why didn't you put it in the toaster? Because the toaster was too far. No, it's just behind you, I see it. Ah, shut your mouth. For the green, we will use baby spinach and I think it's time for a good old food fight. So in a large pan, put olive oil, the baby spinach, put more than you think, they will shrink a lot, and season with salt and pepper. Cook it on medium-high heat for a couple of minutes while stirring until it becomes nice and soft, then put it on your petit pain. Now for the poached egg, put 1 tablespoon of white vinegar in a soup pot filled with almost boiling water and create a vortex in the water. And drop your egg in the middle, that way the egg will stay together. Cook for about 3 minutes. While the egg is cooking, put the crab on top of the spinach and as soon as the poached egg is ready, put it on top and cut some chive for the garnish. If you want to go super fancy for the presentation, make a nice line with the Hollandaise, put the Benedict over it and add more sauce over the egg. Use the chives and fresh ground pepper for seasoning and decorate the plate. Take your time to make it pretty. Don't forget, we also eat with our eyes. It's a beautiful.
I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If so, leave a like, subscribe, and
See you soon!
see you soon!